So this is the proper process of changing gear. By the way, these 4 pieces here, it's cost me like $3 to buy a new one. So that's how you replace them. This is your new one. Remove the old one, and then insert the new one. So go to the next one. And then the last one. So that's the gears that engage to the inner thread of this agitator in your washing machine. So when this is damaged or worn out, it will not engage to the inner thread anymore. So then this thing will not function anymore. This works like a sprocket, like your bicycle. When you turn this way, it will hold, and then when you return, it releases. So when you have a problem with the agitator in your washing machine, don't try to experiment. Get some more tutorial video, and that's a new one from YouTube. But yeah, this could happen if this agitator starts to break or start to fail, and the problem could be just that simple little gear component that you can buy them for, like, here I paid $3.06 for the parts, and you can get this thing to work, and I'll show you in the next video.